today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, this is an emergency video. Bitcoin is going crazy. The whole crypto market is going crazy. And I want to talk with you right now about what are the next steps? What are the next price targets? What can we expect right now for the Bitcoin and crypto market in the immediate short term? Let's go straight into the content. I will talk about my trades, which are right now actually raking in more than $3 million in a profit. Want to talk about altcoins and much more. Price targets. Let's go straight into it. And before I'm going into the charts, my trades and much more, I wanted to ask you, do you want soon more altcoin content on top of the Bitcoin content here? For this, I need the likes. I need your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below. Leave them down below, upvote each other's comments, and the ones which are popping up on the top are obviously the most popular ones, and that's the ones which I'm going to take into consideration first. So make noise for the algorithm as you have never made noise for the algorithm before. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's start with the trade. And actually going here straight into the trades, you can see that my Bitcoin trade is already raking in 70 Bitcoin in a profit, which is 2.9 million US dollars, and the Ethereum trade $300,000. So we are talking about 3.2 million US dollars in a profit. So now the question is, we hit 42. Are we going higher? Well, first of all, let's talk about what has happened here. And what you can see is Bitcoin basically, let me actually show you. It basically hit the price target, if I am pulling this one here, basically hit the price target from this rising wedge breakout. That means it's not the time to go long at this moment at 42,000 for the immediate short term on a short term trade. I don't think that is the moment to do so. That doesn't mean that my price target, which I mentioned yesterday and earlier, of around about 48,000 US dollars is invalid. This is still a possible price target. It's just not something I would be looking out for necessarily tomorrow, right? Yes, this price target is still in, and for a swing trade, that is very well a good price target to look out for. But in the immediate short term, we can expect a retracement. And that is something you have to, let me quickly go back here, you have to always keep in mind. Yesterday we pumped, of course we pumped Saturday, Sunday, and today on Monday, but that means we have left behind a CME gap. And there are some institutions which are standing on the sidelines and not so happy about the weekend pump. Not always, but sometimes we are seeing then in the week following, if we are having a weekend pump, some rejection down to close the CME gap. So be careful on high leverage long positions in the immediate short term. I am bullish on Bitcoin since we broke 17,000 when I opened my trade initially. I got even more bullish on Bitcoin when we broke 32,000. But right now, it's the moment of caution. That is the only thing I want to say. That doesn't mean that I am going out of my trades. My trade is still open. Also, quickly, we talked about altcoins before. I mean, guys, it is pretty crazy what is going on right now. And I was, if you remember, in May posting that I'm investing in ordinals when they were still at 100 million US dollar market cap compared to the ERC20 market cap, which was 1,500 times higher. Since then, we got a 10x gain, a 1,000% gain until today. So everyone who was following me over there, of course, big congratulations, and leave your favorite altcoins down below and like this video if you want some altcoin content going forward in the future. Now, as some ending words, what you have to understand is what was happening for Ethereum was extremely bullish. We had the close, the weekly close above 2,100. Now we are getting follow through. If we are getting this week closing in a green, I am telling you my price target is 33,800 US dollars for Ethereum. We need to close this week in a green. That is the only thing I'm looking out for. And one last thing I wanted to mention to you, and that is a very important note here, is actually it's not this one. Where do I have it? You know what? I'll do it for the next video. But this I still want to show for you. If you click register and deposit on Bybit and BitGet, you get a 60,000 US dollar free bonus for free, and you can trade with that as well. I have prepared a chart, but I think I will need a little bit more time. I will show it in the next video. which is coming today or tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.